Strawberry Rhubarb Pie, a sweet and tart delight. Hello, pie enthusiasts. Sally here, ready to guide you through the creation of a delightful strawberry rhubarb pie. This treat is not only easy to make, but also budget-friendly and perfect for any family occasion. Let's dive into this sweet and tart delight. The story of strawberry rhubarb pie. Strawberry rhubarb pie is a classic American dessert that perfectly balances the sweetness of strawberries with the tartness of rhubarb. This pie became popular in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, particularly in rural areas where rhubarb was commonly grown. The combination of these two fruits makes for a unique and refreshing pie that is often enjoyed during spring and summer when both are in season. Ingredients for the pie crust: 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon granulated sugar, 1 cup unsalted butter, cold and cut into small cubes, 1/4 to ½ cup ice water. For the filling: 3 cups rhubarb, chopped, fresh or frozen, 3 cups strawberries, whole and sliced, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup light brown sugar, 1/4 cup cornstarch, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the topping: 1 large egg, beaten, 2 tablespoons coarse sugar. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Prepare the pie crust. In a large bowl, combine the flour, salt, and sugar. Add the cold butter cubes and use a pastry cutter or your fingers to cut the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add the ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the dough comes together. Divide the dough in half, shape into discs, wrap in plastic wrap, and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. 2. Make the filling. In a large bowl, combine the chopped rhubarb, sliced strawberries, granulated sugar, brown sugar, cornstarch, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. Gently toss to combine. Let the mixture sit for 10 to 15 minutes to release some of the juices. 3. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 4. Roll out the dough. On a lightly floured surface, roll out one of the dough discs into a 12-inch circle. Transfer it to a 9-inch pie dish, pressing it into the bottom and up the sides. Trim any excess dough hanging over the edges. 5. Fill the pie. Pour the strawberry rhubarb filling into the pie crust, spreading it out evenly. 6. Top the pie. Roll out the second dough disc into a 12-inch circle. Cut it into strips to create a lattice pattern or leave it whole for a solid top crust. If using a solid crust, cut a few slits in the top to allow steam to escape. Place the dough over the filling and trim any excess. Crimp the edges to seal. 7. Brush and sprinkle. Brush the top crust with the beaten egg and sprinkle with coarse sugar. 8. Bake. Place the pie on a baking sheet to catch any drips and bake in the preheated oven for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling. If the crust starts to brown too quickly, cover the edges with foil. 9. Cool. Allow the pie to cool on a wire rack for at least 2 hours before serving. This helps the filling set. Perfect pairings. Wine. A chilled glass of Moscato or a light, fruity rose pairs wonderfully with the sweet and tart flavors of strawberry rhubarb pie. Non-alcoholic beverage. Serve with a cold glass of milk or a cup of hot herbal tea, such as chamomile or mint. Serving tips. Presentation. Serve the pie on a beautiful pie plate or stand for an elegant touch. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream on top for extra indulgence. Storage. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days, or refrigerate for up to 5 days. Reheat in the oven before serving. Nutritional information per serving. Nutrient amount: calories 350, total fat 15 g, saturated fat 9 g, cholesterol 45 milligrams, sodium 200 milligrams, total carbohydrates 52 g, dietary fiber 3 g, sugars 25 g, protein 4 g. A little shortcut for busy days. If you're short on time, you can use store-bought pie crusts. Simply prepare the filling as directed and follow the same baking instructions. This will save you the step of making the dough from scratch. The origins of strawberry rhubarb pie. Strawberry rhubarb pie has its roots in American rural communities where rhubarb was commonly grown. This pie became a popular way to use up the abundant harvest of rhubarb and strawberries in the spring and early summer. Today, it remains a beloved dessert that brings a taste of nostalgia and comfort to the table.
Much for watching. To not miss any further recipe or cooking plan, hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you at the next yummy cooking idea.